Now, here we are learning about topic sentence. Where are they coming from? The truth is, they are not coming from nowhere. If you make them up right then, it is not only difficult and time-consuming to do so, but you will be also possibly writing incoherent idea with thesis statement for their supporting relationship. In fact, they are inherited from the objects of thesis statement that control and connect as subtopics with body topics, that is, the topic sentences. Therefore, you can take the meaning of the thesis statement's object to be the subject of topic sentence, using the same concepts of the words or phrases. Let's go back to look at the demo of thesis statement and topic sentence that we had at the beginning. So here you see the three phrases in a thesis statement. 1, 2, 3 has become the subject of topic sentences in the body paragraphs. This is the way how they connect both introduction and body as a coherent unity of subject claim. As the result, the object names of thesis statement has become the subject names of topic sentences. Topic sentences are the sub-statements ideas for each of the body paragraphs. Very much like thesis statement, the main idea, their top leader for the entire essay.